Hello and welcome everyone to our amazing YouTube channel that's Factzilla. For more amazing information, also follow us on the Instagram handle that is Factzilla. Link is given in the description below. We all are emotional, right? Everyone expresses various types of emotions throughout the day. But have you ever thought what is the truth behind these emotions? How they occur exactly? If no, come on, let me help you out with it and let's begin the journey. Basically, emotions are the part of human biology. They are the chemicals that help us to regulate our mind and body, assisting us to cope with the complexities of making decisions, interacting with the people, and finding our way through life. If you're stuck and confused why these emotions are, why are you emotional, and you want to know more about them, so this facts is here and which will make you acquainted to what will be a good start. Emotions are electrochemical signals that flow through us in an unending cycle. They are released in our brains in response to our perceptions about the world. We feel them all the time. As our feelings change, this mixtures of peptides travels throughout our body and our brain. And they are literally changing the chemistry of every cell in your body and sends the vibration to other people. They are divided into 8 basic emotions like joy, sadness, fear, disgust, surprise, anticipation, anger, and trust. According to the Wheel of Emotions created by Robert, it visualizes the dynamism of emotions like what happens to emotions when remain unchecked and combined two emotions, and it is an interesting stuff. Emotions are neutral. Some emotions are not good and some are bad. For example, joy seems to be very clear winner over sadness. It's usual. Who wants to be sad? But the problem is, joy and sadness have more common in them. Joy means we get something we care about, and sadness means losing something we care about. There are two sides of same needs. One couldn't be felt without another. Second problem is signal, delivering the message. All emotion serves an important function. Emotion functions to guide us to survive and thrive. Emotion focuses our attention and motivate us towards a specific course of action. For example, anger is a signal that our path is blocked. It focuses our attention on threat and motivates us for fights and can be used only for destructive purpose. Whereas joy focuses our attention on opportunities and motivates us for doing whatever we want. It's like the two sides of a coin. If you catch the emotions from others very consciously, you should know all of this. For more information, you can go through the article by Paul Ekman, Alpert, and others. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, share the video. We'll definitely come up with more interesting fact as soon as possible. Till then, stay healthy.